Valpals, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a little sultry smoky eye on my friend Alana here. We have been friends since high school and I'm gonna get started.
Let's get started.
I'm gonna start with good molecules. They cannot see this at all.
That feels good.
Good. I'm still used to getting all up in people's faces. Also, sorry, my nails are like long.
No, you're good.
This is Brow King. I literally got this on Amazon, you know. But what works, you know. I have like my actual professional thing.
Gotcha.
Like I don't even really need to do much to your eyebrows. They're like,
Yeah, I just will like touch them up.
yeah.
I like it.
Your shape was already there, so it was nice, little easy. Just fill.
Good.
I'm just gonna try out some colors on your jaw. This is like definitely be too late for you, but yes.
I'm pretty pale though, because I don't go outside.
Okay, good. I was like going light because I was like, if I fucked up the shade. But I think this is pretty good. They're all like really weird. I'm not used to applying makeup like this. Dang, Alana, your shade Empower. Look at you.
Ooh, it looks good.
I'll have you close your eyes. Okay, good. This was the right color. They want like a white cream base on the lid so that the black is more like the actual color it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Your eyeliner tattoo is gonna make this easier.
Oh yeah, I give you like a little guide, like yeah. But then, because they're uneven, like the left one will always mess me up. The right one's like perfect, slayed. It's pointy, it's even, and the left one, like, I don't know what happened there.
When did you get them done?
Like a year ago now. It's been a while. And then I just like never went back in for my touch-up because I was like, girl, like, the craziest thing is like she was gaslighting me. I was sitting there looking at them when she was like, oh, how do you like them? And I was like, I think like this one's like uneven. And she was like, no, it's not. It was the most painful thing like I've ever experienced. It was so painful. So that's why I'm like scared. Like I want to go get it fixed, but because of how painful it was, I'm scared.
Do you have any other tattoos?
No, I want to get tattoos. Well, except for my eyebrows, like microblading. I guess that's technically a tattoo.
Oh yeah.
So like I can tell people I have tattoos. Yeah, I got some sick tats, bro.
A while ago, I got not microbladed, but the powder shaded.
Ooh, that's fun.
Yeah, of course, like.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
They're like coming off though. This one's like holding strong, and this
Oh,
one's like
really?
mostly
Oh,
holding strong. This one's like all me filling in because
oh.
it's like mostly came off, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. My microblading's fading too, but like, so I got microblading the first time, and I got it done like at a local place by my house, and like, she made my eyebrows ginormous, and they were the wrong color. They were like orange, and I was like, I literally have a picture of me after getting it done of me crying because they were so big, and like, so then I just like let them fade, and I got them redone. I actually flew to New York to get them redone by like this woman I found on Instagram, and she's like really good, and yeah, she did a good job, but because the old microblading where it's like way too thick was still there, it's like, it's still not perfect, and I'm just like annoyed.
I mean, they look really good though.
Thank you, but it's like they're still like bigger than I want. I don't know.
Like
I like a skinny brow. Yeah,
they're
like
so skinny.
this side. Really? Okay.
I really like them.
Okay.
I went through like a roller coaster when I like got into this makeup class. And I was like, I remember I like messaged you and I was like, oh, I might take this like makeup class. And then like an hour later, I'm like, oh my God, my mom's buying it for me.
Yeah, I was so happy for you.
It's so fun though.
Oh yeah, I'm so glad you found something that, makes you excited.
Yeah. What have you been up to lately?
Oh, not much. Same old.
It's getting there. Okay.
Don't
look yet. No one look yet.
Okay. I'll just keep my eyes closed.
This makeup look reminds. Wait, you've watched Gossip Girl, right?
No. I know, sue me.
I'm literally rewatching it right now.
Sorry.
But there's this character called Jenny in it, and she does these like really blown out like black smoky eyes through the show.
Yes.
That's what it reminds me of. Also, I'm using the Infinite Chroma palette that comes with my course, and these are actually really good quality shades and whatnot. Like, I feel like this is better than like all the freaking makeup that I've just like bought for myself.
Damn, this is like professional level.
Yeah. I think the kit itself, like if you're just buying the kit, is already like $300.
Oh shoot.
That's a lot. I got this whole like setup because I was trying to copy those like the Patrick Star video.
Oh my God.
His like
I used to watch
so good.
Yeah, I used to watch so much Patrick Star.
I've like just gotten into watching all of the videos. Also, do you know what their pronouns are? Because I've heard people say he and she, and I don't know.
Yeah, I actually don't know, but I think they identify as a starfish from the TV show SpongeBob SquarePants.
Ooh, this is like really cute.
I can't really see.
Close.
The other day I died in my like Minecraft survival world that I've been working on for months, and I don't know, it just made me like I just sat there and just like stared blankly at the screen. I was just like, oh, yeah, oh.
Do you play Minecraft?
Yeah. All the time.
Really?
All the time.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Wait, do you?
No.
Oh.
I played it like
no.
once.
Oh.
With Ian. It was one of our like first dates because I tell everyone I'm a game design major and they like think I play video games and I don't.
Girl, you have to actually start playing some games.
No.
You so give me like cute gamer girl vibes though. I don't know.
I've played the Hello Kitty game on the Game Boy.
On the Game Boy. Dude, I found my old Game Boy the other day from when I was a kid. And I kept it. I'm gonna charge it and play it.
We're using Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes. I used to wear these literally every day.
I also wear fake lashes every day.
I learned from you.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Like, you're literally the reason.
So cute. I love that.
Sorry. I'm like,
no,
okay,
you're good.
They don't even like teach us this, but when I put on my lashes every day, this is the only way I can get them to not fall off.
Mm-hmm.
I just like
I get it.
add some glue to the corners because
I get it.
It's a
oh yeah,
struggle, man.
the corners, dude, always lifting up.
Water activated face makeup.
Oh, can I see it? We'll do some ASMR.
Yes.
ASMR. Makeup palette. Go. That's good content right there.
Yes. This is what you're here for. I'm gonna add some water. I will be back.
Okay. You should send me your playlist. I never know what to listen to.
I feel like your songs are better than mine though.
Girl, what? No. I feel like the rules and stuff are so specific. I don't know.
I agree. I also feel like the techniques are so different and it just like makes flawless pours. So they use this technique of like, I think it's technically called underpainting, but instead of like a full like foundation shade, they like use light foundation and dark foundation to like contour versus like one total shade.
Gotcha.
Pretty
I've seen a lot of people doing that lately though.
Yeah, I like it more.
Yeah, it like really brings out, I don't know, it just really brings out that contrast.
Yeah. I also feel like when I watch a lot of like today's makeup artists on YouTube, I feel like they place and they blend right away, and I like literally place everything and then I blend all at once.
Yeah, no, like there's no wrong way to do it.
Yeah. I think this is just considered like an older technique. I don't think he knows how loud he is.
Right, yeah.
Clean everything.
Baking.
Although I like totally suck at that.
No, there is no like right way.
I just wanted like more evenness. Like that one, you know, like that was even. I don't know why the under eyes I always fuck up.
It's alright. It's alright. It does not have to be like perfect because you're gonna blend it anyway.
How many out of 10?
I literally like 10 out of 10. Like chai is my favorite flavor ever. And I can never find like a good like sugar-free like chai mix, you know what I mean? Like
And caffeine free. I love this thing so much.
Oh, this is so good.
The bake has been baking.
The bake has been baking.
I got them on Amazon. I think they were like $120.
I'm getting them for sure.
It is quite thick. Okay, we have the final look, Sultry Smoky Eye Makeup.
I love it. It's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. And it's serving down hard.
Bronzed queen. And thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.